Today's video is about driving fails, mistakes, how to not drive, and bad drivers. As always, there's a bonus video at the end. This hit-and-run driver was pursued for nearly half an hour, involving 5 police cars across 2 counties, and eventually arrested for being over the legal drink-drive limit.
On the floor in the middle, and Violet's gonna. Oh, this guy's just fucking hit my fucking car. Can you pull over now, mate? I've just been fucking hit by some geezer. Just hit my car.
Alright, keep calm.
I will. PE10 GCU.
Calm down.
I'm not angry. You pull over now, mate.
Do you want me to come with you?
Yeah. Call the police. Get the fucking phone. Get the police. Him. Hit and run. Yeah. Yeah, you call the police.
Hey, Violet, don't cry, Violet.
No, she ain't crying. Right. I'll call the police and you can speak to me later. Violet, turn it off.
This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video.
Let me ring the police and you be quiet, alright? See you later, mummy. I'm going back towards your kennels now. Follow mum, Matt.
Okay.
Bye.
Bad driver cuts me off, and German luxury car drivers are the worst.
I started looking at all the other documents and the files. There were lots of land titles with the same language, but a lot of people had 40 acres. Not everyone. There were some who had 15, 20. And the 40 acres was kind of what stood out to me, mostly just the parents of these land title making significance and it was before like
Will Mrs. Aga be there?
I guess you could say that. Visit our Coast Appliances showrooms in Vancouver, North Vancouver, Coquitlam, Abbotsford, and Surrey. For unbeatable prices and Canada's best selection of appliances, think Coast first.
I'm Laura Christensen at ABC Vancouver. Ken Sim and an ABC majority on Park Board will dramatically improve our parks by fixing our fields, adding lights, and making beer and wine in our parks permanent. Change is as easy as ABC.
I'm Josh Sang with ABC Vancouver. Ken Sim and an ABC majority on school board will restore honors classes and the school liaison officer program.
Driver tries to go straight from turn lane, stops in the middle of intersection. Normal drive when I was turning from the outside lane, and a Toyota Camry driver made a turn from the inside lane, and deciding that he wanted to make a right turn to go into 7-11 last second, instead of safely driving around to go there, causing me to stop completely so he can go into the parking lot.
Okay, fine. Have a seat. Hello? Hello? Whoa, what's going on? What? Official police business trip. Hey, quite a police emergency. So I guess Sergey decided to sit this one out, huh? What with the lockdown, you know. Open a briefcase, Robbie.
哎呦，不要摁喇叭了！你他妈的，哎，干嘛呀？这辆车？他不是那边有？干什么呀？没，哎，嗨！
老爷。
Driver makes illegal U-turn on 70 miles per hour one-way expressway. And the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.